Ooh, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. And I wanted to do a quick little overall recap. I hope that I earn your thumbs up within this video. So this is just to pretty much close out my entire day, as you guys could see, or to recap the overall day. As you guys can see, all my positions are closed, just like they are every single day. The most I made today, or the ETF that I made the most on, is LABD. And then the one that followed was UGAS. Natural gas was showing signs of an uptrend and then began to sell off later throughout the day. So I was still able to make money as natural gas was selling off. And then I took a very small position on DGAS, $76 there. And then I made 262 on LABU, which is the inverse, of course, of LABD. Made a total of $1,600 profit. Today was the natural gas report, and it was a little bit different. I don't know if you guys paid attention to the report itself. If you guys never trade the natural gas report, what that means is there's an inventory report for the commodity natural gas. It's an EIA report that's released every single Thursday on schedule, 1 hour after the market opens. Market opens here at 7:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and 1 hour after, it looked like it was going to be a bullish report. It hit highs of 1.869 and then got rejected and then sold off and then began to continue to, trading between the middle and bottom VWAP, continued to sell off and even into the extended hours. As of right now, it's not aggressively selling off anymore as it was, but it's not really making higher highs. So overall, very happy with how today played out. Again, my daily goal is $500 profit. Today, I was able to, in a sense, triple that, as in like the goal that I have for myself. And it's been working out very well for me. The past, if I'm not mistaken, 4 days of trading have all been green. And yesterday was another $1,000 day. The day before that was $500, and the day before that was $500. So if I'm not mistaken, I'm up $3,500 in the past 4 days of trading. I normally don't perform the best on Fridays. So tomorrow, again, I've already exceeded my weekly goal. When it comes down to what I aim for on a weekly basis and what I'm trading with. If you guys, actually, I think it was a Learn Plan Profit member that asked about where I was trading UGAS and how I was able to still make money off of it. So because it was selling off and they wanted to see my entries and my exits for those that cared. But again, it's all about being selective and, just watching that position size. As you guys could see, my position wasn't ever super aggressive. I was trying to stay in within 300 shares at the max. I was in with 500 shares, but later throughout the day, I was just having fun with it. I was watching my position size, and 300 shares was essentially where I wanted to stay. So I had a lot of fun with what it was that we were doing. I was able to walk away with, again, exceeding my daily goal. One of the things that I'm going to prepare for tomorrow is I wanted to answer 2 questions. Because I've already exceeded my weekly goal, if an opportunity presents itself tomorrow, of course, I'll take advantage of it, but I'm not going to be super just aggressive with my trading tomorrow. I know that I don't perform the best on Fridays. I don't know why. Let me know in the comment section if you guys sometimes, I don't know what it is. If I have a red day, if any day out of the week, it's usually either on a Monday or a Friday. So I want to make sure that I end the week on a positive note. So if I just don't see any opportunity present itself, I'll probably just get an early start to the weekend and take the day off, right? But I'm really excited to see how tomorrow plays out. I'm excited to trade with the Learn Plan Profit team. We'll be trading live at market open. So yeah, and the second thing that I wanted to answer is everyone continues to ask me about LABU and LABD. And the future that it follows. It has no future that it follows. If you guys look into LABU and look into LABD, it's a biotech ETF. Look a little bit more into it. It does follow an index, and if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit group, you guys could actually go. I think it's in the announcement section. The start here section. Yeah, so I posted it here. It's our little ETF cheat sheet. If you guys want this, I do have this so you guys can have it available to print it out. But what it does, it has LABU, it has LABD, which is the inverse, and then it has the index that it follows. We have the USLV, DSLV, and the future, and then gold future, and then crude oil future. You guys know that I love trading, ETFs. It's my bread and butter. It's what I like to do. It's definitely not for everyone, but at least I wanted to share, what works well for me and kind of the little organization that I have set up when it comes down to my trade. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I wish you guys an amazing and blessed day. Hopefully you guys can also end the week on a green note. Let's stay patient. Again, if it's Friday and you don't really see anything present itself, if you see the market being a little bit more slow or a little bit more inconsistent, there's nothing. You have nothing but time, right? Don't rush into anything. Don't discourage yourself. Don't force a trade. Get an early start to the weekend if you just begin to see things not align. So again, I'm really excited to trade live with the Learn Plan Profit Group tomorrow. And for all those, just make sure that you set your alarm tomorrow at market open. So again, all the links are down below if you guys want to learn a little bit more about our groups and how to stay connected. But like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.